Hey everyone, I'm Allison and you're watching Long Island Thrifter. I picked up a pair of plant stands for $5 at a yard sale and I'm going to attempt to paint them today. Let's check it out. I found this pair of metal wire plant stands at a yard sale recently, and I have to tell you, they were only $5. I had to get them. Yes, there's rust, as you can see. There's a lot of rust all around it. And they're in good condition though. And when I looked them up, I found similar ones for sale. These three were $68. I found another one for sale for $75, a single one, and then this single one that sold on eBay for $39. And they're all in the similar vein of what I have here, but I want to change it up a little bit. So I'm getting the spray paint out and I'm starting with a metal wire brush that I'm going to clean down and get some of that rust off if I can. As you can see, it's not an easy process right here, but I went through both of them pretty quickly. And then I got the crud cutter out and sprayed them down to clean them off before I started spray painting. I'm using Rust-Oleum and it's a semi-gloss in the hunter green, which I think is really pretty. You may be asking yourself, why are you not using a drop cloth? Well, I'll tell you why. I went to open the shed up and a giant spider kind of flew down in front of me and I just closed the doors and said, I'm just not going to do it with the drop cloth. So I have these flipped over. I'm starting on the feet and the legs and the bottom part, and then I'm going to let them dry for a little bit. I also found some pieces of grass that were kind of brown. So, hey, it's a little trick that realtors use when they're shooting pictures of homes. They'll take some spray paint out, but I think they would probably get a better green than the one I have here. This green is too dark for the grass. I finished spray painting the undersides of both of the plant stands, and now I'm letting them sit out to dry for a bit, keeping them in the shade. Tested them here to make sure that they're dry, and they are, and I'm going to flip them over and start on the top. I think the whole process maybe took about an hour, not including the drying time. But look at the before now with all the rust. It had a bit of age to it. And now I kind of gave it a facelift. And here's what they look like now with that really pretty hunter green. I think I might in the future do a black on them instead. But for right now, these are going to be outside on the deck, and we'll put some plants in them. And I think the green really just goes beautifully, and it makes them look so much better than the white did with the rust all over it. So let me know what you think in the comments below. And thanks so much for watching. See you soon.